नमस्कार. सावित्रीबाई फुले शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचलित शांतिनिकेतन प्रायमरी स्कूलमध्ये मी सहशिक्षिका श्रीमती पवार के.एस. विषय इंग्रजी वर्ग तिसरीसाठी हा व्हिडिओ सादर करत आहे. टॉपिकचे नाव आहे स्पॉट द लेटर. लेक्चर नंबर 6. स्पॉट द लेटर. In this topic there are some activities, and the activities are: look at the words carefully, say the words, spot the letter that stands for the given sound. शब्द काळजीपूर्वक पाहणे, म्हणणे आणि दिलेल्या उच्चारासाठी आलेल्या विशिष्ट अशा अक्षराला रेखांकित करणे. Look at this chart. Here some words are given, and in the corner their sound is given. With the help of that sound, we have to find a particular letter stands for that sound. First we will read the words BUS, bus, DOCTOR, doctor, PEN, pen, PUMP, pump, BALL, ball, TOMATO, tomato, PAN, pan, POLICE, police, PENCIL, pencil, BANK, bank, TIME, time, TABLE, table, OUT, out, BAND, band, POTATO, potato, TYRE, tire. For the first word, sound is given B, and B stands for sound B. In the second word, doctor, sound is given D. In this word, letter D stands for D. Next word, pen, sound given is P. P stands for P. Again, sound is given P. Word is pump. Here two P are there. P for the sound P. In word ball, sound is given B. B stands for sound B. Sound given T. Word is tomato. T and T are the letters standing for sound T. N sound is given. In word pan, 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 N stands for sound N. Sound given is P, and word is police, POLICE, P. P stands for sound P. Again sound P is given. Pencil, word is. In this word, P stands for sound P. Sound given is B, and word is bank. B stands for sound B. Sound given is T. Word is time. T stands for sound T. Sound given T, and word is table. In this word, T stands for sound T. T sound given, and word is out. Here again, T stands for sound T. Word is band. Sound given is B. B letter stands for sound B. Now two sounds are given, P and T. Here word is potato. In this word, P letter stands for sound P, and T. Two letters stands for sound T. Next, sound T is given, and word is tire. In this word, letter T stands for sound T. We send the sound B, B, K, P and T. Similarly, letters B, C, P, T stands for the sound. Now, join the same words with a line. Here, questions are given. These are some activities. We have to find out same words having same spellings. In the next question, join the same letters with a line. Now, same letters with shapes. सारखी दिसणारी अक्षरे रेघेने जोडायची. पुढे स्पॉट द लेटर इन द वर्ड्स जॉईन द सेम लेटर. दिलेले अक्षर त्याच्या समोरील शब्दांमध्ये आपल्याला शोधायचे आहे आणि नंतर ती सर्व अक्षरे एका रेघेने जोडायची आहेत. Here the solution is given. Join the same letter words with a line. Word ball, and we have to find same word similar spelling in the next words, and ball is joined with a line. Then cat, cat joined with a line. pot, again joined with a line, and tiger are joined with a line. Join the same letters with a line. T, D, C, A, E, P, N, H are joined with a line. Spot the letter in the words, join the same letters. In the box there is a letter given, and in front of that some words are given. We have to find out a word having the same letter. Same letter should be joined with a line. The letter is B. Bat, habit. B, rubber. Double B, tub. B, ball. B. Next, C letter is given. Find out C letter in cup. C, cream. C, cat. C, cock. Double C and lock. C. Spot that letter and then join with a line. Jump. Letter P is given. In jump, P, stop, P, pot, P, apple. Double P, please, P. Spot letter P and join with a line. Next word, tiger. T, stand. T, best. T, top. T, taste. T. In the box, letter T is given. We found letter T and spot them and then join with a line. Read the name of the letter. अक्षरांची नावे वाचणे. B, C, P, T. B stands for sound B. C stands for sound K. P stands for sound P and T stands for sound T. Here again that letters are given B, C, P, T, and we have to trace them with the help of finger or with the help of pencil. In this way we learn B, C, P, T letters and their sounds. We found that letters and sounds in the given words and completed this lecture. In the next lecture we will learn Priya in the village. Thank you.